बेस्ट फूड, बेस्ट रेस्टोरेंट, एम्बियंस बढ़िया होना चाहिए। आयुषी बस एक बेस्ट जगह बता दे उदयपुर में जहाँ पे सारी वैरायटी का खाना अच्छा हो, एम्बियंस मस्त होना चाहिए और लाइव म्यूजिक हो जाए तो बड़ा मजा आ जाएगा। Friends, relatives, strangers and whosoever I have met have asked me this question n number of times. So I finally decided to make this particular video wherein I will suggest you best or must visit restaurants in Udaipur. Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another episode of Udaipur series. So in case you don't know, I have a complete playlist of Udaipur with several videos in it. So in case you haven't checked out all of them, I'll link it in the cards above so you can check that out, but after watching this particular video. In this particular video, I haven't included any place of old city in Udaipur because I'll make a separate video of it so it's easier for you guys to categorize. Now let's begin. So the first place is the Sangria Rooftop Lounge, which is a beautiful rooftop place in Ambavgarh opposite to Swaroop Sagar Lake. Located right next to the lake, this place has amazing views, delicious food and amazing vibe with live music every weekend. The decor and interiors of this place is so Instagram worthy and the music here sets the perfect tone for your evenings. यहाँ का पनीर टिक्का पिज्जा cheesy, tangy, thin crust, smoked paneer with all sorts of flavor is my favorite. Or death spread shake, literally it's a burst of chocolate flavors in the mouth. Thick, chocolatey, perfect sweetness is a must try too. You can also visit their 24/7 cafe which is at the ground floor called the Pod Garden. ये cafe open रहता है 24/7 so you can satisfy your late night hungers or your breakfast craving. यहाँ पे भी आपको bruschetta से लेके sandwiches, pizza, pasta, drinks, waffles सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. So the average cost of 2 people here is ₹1200 without alcohol. सर्विस की बात करें तो काफी क्विक और प्रॉम्प्ट है और यहाँ पे पार्किंग फैसिलिटी भी बहुत अच्छी है. आपको कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं होगी इवन वीकेंड्स पे भी. The next place is Enigma. It's a beautiful fine dine restaurant located near Oberoi Uday Vilas in Haridas Ji Ki Magri. This place will give you all the luxury and royalty feels with its architecture and interiors. So the average cost for 2 people at this place is around 1200 to 1500. यहाँ की ये mushroom cappuccino which is quite similar to mushroom soup, very creamy, mild flavors के साथ is perfect for winters. और ये mushroom bruschetta which was literally burst of flavors of cheese, mushroom, pepper and all good things. So if you are a mushroom lover, then these two things are a must try here. यहाँ के मेन्यू में आपको ज्यादा वैरायटी नहीं मिलेगी, but every dish which is available is flavorful and perfect in taste. So I would highly recommend this place for people looking for great fine dine experience with a beautiful Lake Pichola view. So the next place is Soul Bistro and Lounge and it is one of my favorite places and I have visited it so many times that it literally feels like a second home to me. This place is also located in Haridas Ji Ki Magri with ample amount of parking available. The average cost for 2 people here is approximately 1200 rupees without alcohol. I've tried almost all of their dishes but my favorite is their pink sauce pasta and garlic bread. They serve one of the best garlic breads ever. But if you are a spicy food lover then you must try their chili garlic noodles which is literally bomb. यहाँ पर भी every weekend live music होता है. In fact, you can celebrate your birthdays or anniversaries because they provide special customized arrangements or decorations as well. This place I recommend everyone whosoever asks me, so you should also once must visit. So the next place is this restaurant, hotel, co-working space and a club called the Artist House. This place is located in the city center area in Surajpol, so it's very convenient to travel to. I have made a detailed video of this place. I'll link it here, you can check that out. But in this particular video, I have included this place because of 2 reasons. So number 1, this place gives one of the most peaceful, soothing vibes because it's inspired from nature. So if you are that vibe person, you should definitely visit this place. And the second reason is food. They have a wide variety of options available and the Jain food is also very tasty. But my favorite here are their mocktails, which is definitely a must try. And the average cost for 2 people here is rupees 1000 approximately. Last place of this video is the Shikarbadi Hotel, which was originally a hunting palace for the royal family of Udaipur, renovated in a resort. Fantastic place to spend time with family in the lap of nature, surrounded by lake, forest, mountains and all sorts of beauty. You can also spot deer, peacock, different species of birds, horses here. The North Indian food here is literally lip smacking, like the paneer, malai kofta, dal, naans. Everything here is definitely a must try. It is one of the most prominent properties of HRH Group, located in Sector 14, Govardhan Villas. I'll leave all the Google Map locations of all the places in the description box below, so do check them out. And with this, we come to an end of this particular video. Do let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite restaurant in Udaipur. Like this particular video if you enjoyed watching it. Do subscribe to the channel and share this video with as many people as possible and support my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.